Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Our today's topic is obesity. In the last video we discussed about gastritis. Similarly, obesity is also a worldwide problem. Obesity is a medical condition in which excess body fat has accumulated to an extent that it may have a negative effect on health. People are generally considered obese when their body mass index, that is BMI, a measurement obtained by dividing a person's weight by the square of the person's height, is over 30 kg per meter square. The range 25 to 30 kg per meter square is defined as overweight. Some East Asian countries use lower values. The epidemiology. In 1997, the WHO formally recognized obesity as a global epidemic. As of 2008, the WHO estimates that at least 500 million adults are obese, with higher rates among women than men. The rate of obesity also increases with the age at least up to 50 to 60 years old. The OECD has projected an increase in obesity rates until at least 2030, especially in United States, Mexico and England, with rates reaching 47%, 39% and 35% respectively. Obesity rates are rising worldwide and affecting both the developed and developing countries. These increases have been felt most dramatically in urban settings. The only remaining region of the world where obesity is not common is sub-Saharan Africa. Now let's talk about its history. Obesity is from the Latin word obesitas, which means stout, fat or plump, mixing two words, that is adhere, which means to eat, with over added to it. The Oxford English Dictionary documents its first uses in 1611 by Randall Cotgrave. The economic impact. In addition to its health impact, obesity leads to many, including disadvantages in employment and increased business cost. These effects are felt by all levels of society, from individuals to corporations to governments. The Lancet Commission on Obesity in 2019 called for global treaty model on the WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, committing countries to address obesity and undernutrition. Obesity can lead to social stigmatization and disadvantages in employment. When compared to their normal weight counterparts, obese workers on average have higher rates of absenteeism from work and take more disability leave, thus increasing costs for employers and decreasing productivity. Now the classification. Any BMI more than 35 or 40 kg per meter square is severe obesity. A BMI of more than 35 is morbid and more than 40 to 44.9 is super obesity. Now the public health. The World Health Organization predicts that overweight and obesity may soon replace more traditional public health concerns such as undernutrition and infectious disease as the most significant cause of poor health. Public health efforts seek to understand and connect the environmental factors responsible for increasing prevalence of obesity in the population. Solution looks at changing the factor that causes excess food energy consumption and inhibit physical activity. Efforts include federally reimbursed meal programs in school, limiting direct junk food marketing to children, and decreasing access to sugar-sweetened beverages in school. Effects on health. Excessive body weight is associated with various diseases and conditions, particularly cardiovascular disease, diabetes mellitus type 2, obstructive sleep apnea, certain types of cancer, osteoarthritis, and asthma. As a result, obesity has been found to reduce life expectancy. Obesity is one of the leading preventable causes of death worldwide. Now the morbidity. Obesity affects both the mental and physical health. Health consequences fall into two broad categories: those attributable to the effects of increased fat mass such as osteoarthritis and social stigmatization, and those due to the increased number of fat cells leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Increase in body fat alters the body's response to insulin, potentially leading to insulin resistance. Increased fat also creates a pro-inflammatory state and a pro-thrombotic state. Now the causes. At an individual level, a combination of excessive food energy intake and a lack of physical activity is thought to explain most cases of obesity. A limited number of cases are due primarily to genetics, medical reasons, or psychiatric illness. In contrast, increasing rates of obesity at a societal level are felt due to easily accessible palatable diet, increased reliance on cars, and mechanized manufacturing. A 2006 review identified other possible contributors to the recent increase of obesity, such as insufficient sleep, endocrine disruptors, decreased variability in ambient temperature, increased use of medications that cause weight gain, such as atypical antipsychotics, hormonal contraception, anticonvulsants, and the steroids. Pregnancy at later age, sedentary lifestyle. Other illness like hypothyroidism, Cushing syndrome, growth hormone deficiency, and also binge eating disorder and the night eating syndrome. The childhood obesity. The healthy BMI range varies with the age and sex of the child. Obesity in children and adolescents is defined as BMI greater than 95th percentile. Childhood obesity has reached epidemic proportion in the 21st century, with rising rates in the both developed and developing world. As with obesity in adults, many factors contribute to the rising rates of childhood obesity. Changing diet and decreasing physical activity are believed to be the two most important causes for the recent increasing incidence of child obesity. Antibiotics in the first 6 months of life have been associated with excess weight at age of 7 to 12 years of age. Because childhood obesity persists into adulthood and is associated with numbers of chronic illness like hypertension, diabetes, hyperlipidemia, and fatty liver disease. The diagnosis. It is based on BMI. If BMI is more than 30 kg per meter square, person is obese. Now the management and the prevention. The main treatment for obesity consists of weight loss via dieting and physical exercise. Several diets are effective, like low carb diets. Promotion of Mediterranean diets among the obese may lower the risk of heart disease. Decrease intake of sweet drinks. Dietary and lifestyle changes are effective in limiting excessive weight gain in pregnancy and improve outcome for both the mother and the child. Intensive behavioral counseling is recommendable in those who are both obese and have other risk factors for heart diseases. Now the complications. There are several complications of obesity. It affects several organs of body. Few of the complications are coronary arterial disease, that is myocardial infarction, congestive heart failure, diabetes mellitus, polycystic ovarian syndrome, birth defects, intrauterine death, stroke, osteoarthritis, and depression. Now the prognosis. It reduces the life expectancy. So that is it for today's guys, and thank you for watching. Please keep supporting and do comment on what topic you would want in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay at home, and also check out my other videos. The links are in the description box below.